Hello everybody, welcome to Mr. GFX. Today we are going to speak about how to animate metahuman character in Unreal Engine and how to insert any animation for free from Mixamo. So we are going to speak about all of this step just for free in Unreal Engine. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video, and let's get started. How can we insert any animation from Mixamo? If you don't have any animation mockup, you can insert any animation from Mixamo. Okay, mixamo.com. Okay, so if you go here, we can log in with your. You can choose any character. If you look here for a character, we can choose anyone from them, or we can choose second one, or any character from here. Okay, so but I choose this one because it's compatible with Unreal character. Okay, for example, we can choose walk animation. Okay, for example, we can choose this one. Okay, I will use this animation in a tutorial. In tutorial for close simulation. Okay, but if you look here, we the arm it beside the body, so for close simulation it will not working. So how can we resolve this problem? Okay, character arm here space we can put here. Okay, so if you look here, the close simulation it will work so nice. Okay, look amazing. So we can download our skeleton from here with a skin for first character for just for once, and just in the next animation we can without any skin. So with the skin, download it. Okay, after that we can insert any animation, for example funny animation. Okay, something like that. Okay, okay, so arm, make sure the arm is far away from the body. Okay, so after that, what we can do now, we need to download else without skin download. Okay, after that we can insert it to Unreal Engine. So if you look here in the folder, we will see here this is our character. Okay, we can Mixamo character, for example, Mixamo and dance. Okay, so we can insert it to Unreal Engine, just drag and drop. So here we can create any folder, Mixamo, for example, Mixamo. Okay, after that we can import and download. So now we can insert first our character, after that we can insert any animation. Okay, so reset all of them, import. Now if you look here, we have our animation. Okay, so nice, and we can insert another animation here, dance, for example. You can choose which one, Mixamo skeleton. Okay, so now we can insert this one. Look, animation is working very nice. We need to convert this animation to another metahuman character. We can insert more than one. Okay, just for example this one. Okay, download without skin. Okay, Okay, so insert it to Unreal Engine. Okay, which one? Mixamo skeleton. So now we have those animation. We can choose all of them. If you look here, we have animation sequence, and animation sequence. Okay, we can choose any animation, right click and choose retarget animation. So choose your metahuman character, female body, for example. So you can choose your animation from here, dance, this one, and this one, and this one. Okay, export animation. If you didn't remember the name of Mixamo, you can prefix Mixamo, okay, underscore export, where we can anim Mixamo, okay, and export. So if you look here, we have our animation for metahuman character. Okay, so what we are going to do now, we need to create your animation sequence. For example, we can create here cinematic level sequence. After that, you can insert your character, metahuman character, metahuman, any metahuman character from here. For example, this one. Okay, so now we can go to sequence and drag and drop your character here. So now we can insert an animation, for example, Mixamo animation, for example, dance. So look here, we can play. Working very nice. Okay, you can use it here, and if you look here for this animation, we can make it 100. Sorry, we can make this one 200. Okay, so sorry. Okay, I think 50 enough. Okay, we can play with our slider. Okay, so now our animation is working very nice. You can insert another animation, Mixamo as this one. Okay, look, this one, or we can look. So dance or animation. If you want to use this character to walk from here to another area, we can come here and insert transform here. So we can start from this area and we can come to this area. Okay, for example here now, but we can come here to this area. Just we need to make a little bit rotation. Okay, look, we need to make our rotation here. But why this weight? Because we need to select all of keyframe. After that, we can come to this area and select all of them. Okay, let's choose this one. Okay, save, close. So now first step, we can rotate this one. Okay, so now our character is working very nice. Okay, So don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video. See you in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.